compass calibration. Compass calibration. Right up, left down. It's flashing. About 1 meter off the ground. Spin it. See when that green flash turn like that, nose down. Rotate it till it turns solid green. Compass calibrated. Say do that every time you change flying sites. So I know it's other videos out there, but I be seeing people still be asking on some of the videos. So there it is. Gyro calibration is the other way. Left up, right down. Boom. Got 18 satellites. And just for other people who don't know, like I got my helipad where it's set up where I'm actually facing west, but on my compass it just shows north, south, east, west, and it don't change as you move. So that's always what it's gonna be. So you see like the red arrow is facing west, going left. That don't mean that's west, because that say west on there. I mean, that means your helicopter is facing west. Like see on my helipad, I got the W right here for facing west, north, south, east. But on here, north is on the front top side. So just so that don't confuse people, like it shows that I'm facing west if you look at the red arrow actually pointing to the W. So just for people who be confused about that, now let's get it. Oh wait, it's nighttime, lights time. I'm gonna calibrate that gyro one more time. In GPS auto mode. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in high rate. Yeah, that's pretty much full speed and high rate in GPS mode. But I'm cool with that. It go a little faster if you go in manual mode, but I ain't going in manual mode right now. I just did that with the Huey. I'm just chill riding. I keep my little Roku device on there too, man. I tried to, I flipped my Huey upside down, trying to do inverted, and that motherfucker flew away going that way. I had to go find it like 3 yards over there. Thank God I had the Ruco little RID GPS thing on there, because I went and tracked it down and found it. The battery had popped out, but it landed on his feet. But I lost my little strobe light that I had on the back like I got right now. I ain't want to look for it too hard because I felt like it was a lost cause. It was like off that way somewhere. It had flew off upside down at that. I couldn't control it. It wouldn't respond. I had to hit the kill switch. Luckily, it brought it down. It was way over there where you can see them houses through the trees at. And look how it stopped when I took my hand off the... Man, these bugs attacking me. I like how you can see them lights in the back though, like supposed to be the fire, the turbines or whatever. Check that battery. I want to see how close it get to the helipad when I hit return to home. I want to see how close it's gonna get. Yep, it's gonna be a few feet off. I ain't doing nothing. Oh, it's gonna be close though. I really don't use it. I tried it a couple times. It did the same thing. It'd always be a couple feet off. Got a little more juice on that battery, then it's gonna return to home anyway. Battery low, you see it blinking? That means if I keep going, it's gonna return on its own. Now I do like to land it in manual mode though, cause it just make the landings smoother, in my opinion. Nice flying, at least I thought so.